Welcome to Next Knowledge. Hidden within the powerful grace of nature lies one of the most remarkable materials known to humankind, the horn of the majestic gray Brahman bull. For thousands of years, horn has been admired for its beauty, durability, and versatility. Today, this ancient natural material is transformed into one of the world's most luxurious accessories, premium horn eyewear. In this documentary, we will explore the complete journey behind these extraordinary glasses, a journey filled with patience, craftsmanship, innovation, and respect for nature.
The gray Brahman bull is famous for its impressive strength, resilience, and distinctive gray-colored horns. These horns are ethically sourced and carefully selected, making them a sustainable luxury material. Every horn carries unique patterns, shades, and textures created by nature itself. No two horns are exactly alike, and that means no two pairs of horn glasses are ever truly identical.
The story begins far away from the workshop. Expert craftsmen inspect hundreds of horns in search of perfection. They carefully evaluate color consistency, structural density, natural grain patterns, and overall quality. Only the finest horns are chosen. In fact, fewer than 1% meet the standards required for luxury eyewear production. Luxury begins with exceptional materials. After selection, the horns enter the preparation stage. Each horn is thoroughly cleaned, sanitized, and carefully inspected. Every impurity must be removed without damaging the natural structure. What once appeared rough and ordinary slowly begins revealing its hidden beauty. Next comes one of the most fascinating stages. The horns are placed inside special steaming chambers where controlled heat and moisture soften the material. Master technicians then flatten the horns into smooth sheets. This process reveals stunning natural layers hidden deep within the horn. Nature begins transforming into art. Modern technology now joins centuries-old craftsmanship. Advanced CNC machines cut the horn sheets with microscopic precision. Frame fronts, bridges, temples, every component is carved with incredible accuracy. The machines work with the horn's natural grain, preserving its organic character. Technology creates precision, but artisans create perfection. Skilled craftsmen spend countless hours hand polishing every frame. Using techniques passed down through generations, they bring out the horn's deep shine and luxurious texture. Every movement of the hand adds personality and soul. This is where craftsmanship becomes art. Now the individual components come together. Premium hinges, flexible spring systems, carefully shaped temples. Everything is assembled with absolute precision. Each frame is adjusted and balanced to ensure maximum comfort. The result is eyewear that feels remarkably light, yet incredibly strong. Luxury leaves no room for compromise. Every pair undergoes rigorous inspections. Dimensions are measured, surfaces are examined under bright lights. Flexibility and durability are tested repeatedly. Even the smallest imperfection results in rejection. Only flawless pieces move forward. Horn eyewear offers more than stunning appearance. It is naturally lightweight, naturally hypoallergenic, and uniquely comfortable. Unlike plastic or metal, horn adapts to body temperature. Over time, it develops a beautiful natural patina that reflects its owner's journey. Every pair becomes more personal with use. For centuries, horn has been used in combs, jewelry, decorative objects, and luxury accessories. Today, it represents a return to authentic, natural materials. In a world dominated by mass production, handcrafted horn glasses stand as a symbol of individuality and timeless craftsmanship. At the end of the journey, every masterpiece receives royal treatment. The glasses are carefully cleaned, placed inside elegant premium cases, accompanied by soft microfiber cloths, authenticity certificates, and sophisticated luxury packaging. Every detail reflects excellence. From vast open fields where Brahman bulls roam, to skilled workshops where artisans dedicate countless hours, to the face of the final owner. This is more than manufacturing. It is a celebration of nature's genius and human dedication. Each pair carries the strength of the bull, the patience of the craftsman, and the spirit of true luxury. In an age of fast fashion and disposable products, horn eyewear represents something different, something lasting, something meaningful, something crafted with purpose. Wearing horn glasses is not merely about seeing the world. It is about carrying a story of transformation, heritage, and excellence. Thank you for joining Next Knowledge on this fascinating journey. From a single powerful horn to an extraordinary pair of luxury glasses, every step demonstrates patience, innovation, and artistic mastery. Which stage impressed you the most? The selection process? The steaming transformation? The hand polishing craftsmanship? Or the final masterpiece? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this premium documentary, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Next Knowledge for more extraordinary stories, remarkable creations, and fascinating journeys from around the world. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and always appreciate the beauty of true craftsmanship.